kasama ko isang kababayan, Froy.
Yes.
What is your last name?
Garcia.
Garcia, just like mine. So, Froy,
Oh, yeah.
how long have you been a volunteer here at this tournament?
I'll be completing 10 years.
10 years,
Yes,
wow. Okay,
yes.
so what has been your experience dito po?
Oh, it's been a great experience, of course, because I love tennis. It's my passion since I was younger back
so you
home in the
play
Philippines. Yeah, of course. And when back in Saudi Arabia, I organized sports activities there. Tennis, 10-pin bowling for among the Filipino communities.
Nice.
So when I came over in Canada, so I started volunteering to meet all those players every year. The men's alternately going to Montreal and Toronto.
Right, right.
Yeah.
So ano yung masasabi mo ngayon sa pagsali ni Alex Ayala? I mean, over the last, since 10 years ka na dito.
Honestly, it's beyond my wildest dream to see a Filipina or Filipino in the tournament.
Yeah.
Okay, I joined here to see the tennis greats like Nadal, Federer during the early days when I joined, but never expecting a Filipina to
Oo
be
nga,
here,
no?
di ba?
Sa bonus, super
Oh,
bonus.
super bonus. And then, at least now, all the Filipino members of the volunteer program were being recognized because of Alex.
Oo nga, so maraming volunteers na Pilipino.
Ang dami. I was planning to organize them actually and have picture with you or with Alex, but I don't know how I can do that in the next few days.
That should be fun.
Yeah, exactly.
Well, hopefully matagal pa siya mag-last sa
Hopefully
tournament.
she wins every time so we can see more of her.
All right.
Yeah.
Great job. Thanks
Okay.
for being here.
Thanks, Dan. Okay.
So, isa rin sa nakilala ko dito si Edsel Mutia na volunteer dito sa National Bank Open Toronto 1000 for 17 years.
Yes.
Talaga?
Oo.
Grabe. Paano nangyari?
Me and my wife loves Nadal.
Okay.
Yeah, and Sharapova. So,
Dati naglalaro sila.
oo. So, merong Rogers Cup dito. Kaya sabi ko, why not volunteering? Yeah, kasi we love tennis. I love tennis.
Yeah.
I play tennis.
So, in the 17 years na pag-volunteer mo, ano yung mga different departments na na-assign ka?
One department, since nag-umpisa ako, yun lang talaga, guest services.
Guest services. So, anong ginagawa mo
Yeah.
sa guest services
Yeah,
department?
nag-entertain ng mga guest kung may mga question.
Guest meaning guest ng tournament, hindi
Guest
players.
ng tournament, not
Okay.
players. So kami ang nag-guide kung saan sila pumupunta. Kasi I decided na mag-guest services ako kasi I'm a nurse, ayaw ko nang pumunta sa medics. Parang may bago naman.
Yeah.
Bago naman kaysa
Yeah.
magme-medics na naman ako. So yun, guest services.
So obviously masaya ka sa ginagawa mo kasi 17 years na, di ba?
Masayang
Ano yung
masaya.
mga, what would you say
Masaya.
were some of the highlights sa pag-volunteer mo dito?
Mga perks na pwede kami makapanood ng games. At saka may mga uniforms. At saka makita namin yung mga players. Like
Yeah.
especially Nadal. Oh, Nadal. Yeah.
Since tennis player ka.
Yes.
So syempre. And ngayon, yung nangyayari ngayon dito with Alex Ayala, anong comment mo sa Filipino volunteer dito sa tournament?
Imagine, it's humbling experience nga nandito si Alex kasi nag-unite lahat ng mga Filipino. Hindi lang din dyan. Kasi first time in the history since 17 years, ngayon lang nagpadala uli ng email ang volunteer office kasi sold out lahat ng ticket.
Oo.
Sold out lahat ng ticket to accommodate ng mga guests na makabili at makapanood. Nag-email sila sa amin na kung sino yung may ticket yesterday supposed to be at saka sa lahat ng mga tournament days pwede bang ibalik kasi
Kasi may free kayo.
oo, may free ticket kami.
Oh.
May free ticket. So, ibabalik daw, bibigyan kami ng mga perks. So,
How many
imagine.
tickets ba binibigay sa volunteer?
Depends upon kung how many years. Like me, 8 tickets. 8 pairs of tickets. So,
Wow, that's a lot.
I know,
Kasi
I
17
know.
years
Yeah.
na. So, binabawi yung ticket para to have more for sale.
Yes.
So,
Ganon si Alex. Ganon.
ginawa nyo ba?
Ha? May mga bumabalik, pero kami na ibigay na namin sa mga friends namin and relatives.
Yeah.
So wala eh. Kasi iba ang Alex.
Yeah. So since matagal ka na rin dito sa Canada noon, anong masasabi mo sa yung pag-unite niya ng mga Pilipino, like yung effort nila talaga sa pagsuporta kay Ayala?
You couldn't imagine na may mga lola at lolos manonood. We don't know if they play tennis, but pumupunta dito manonood lang ng tennis. So it means to say na iba talaga ang hatak ni Alex.
Yeah.
First time in the history kasi may Pilipino na
Yeah.
nandyan.
And you as a Filipino, how do you feel about
I'm
her?
so
what she's
proud.
done?
I'm so very proud na meron tayong Pilipino na nandun. Imagine Alex na nagsasalita ng Tagalog, hindi yung half-half,
Oo,
pure
tama.
Pilipino talaga.
Siya pa talaga nagtatagalog, no?
Yes.
Malalim na Tagalog.
Totoo, kagabi nga nagtatagalog. So, I'm so proud. I'm so proud.
We're all proud. Thank you. See you at the center court. Okay, then. Let's go to the last row. Wait, let's go, Alex and Venus. Okay, I am at the very top. The very top. Wait, ang dami pa doon, oh.
Yeah, Pilipino lahat.
Hey. Oh, tinan mo, nandito sila. Oh, I like that. That's cute. Let's go, Alex. Enjoy, Ano nakasabi dyan? Lumago na.
Kaya hindi na hinihinto.
Alex! Congratulations from Belleville!
O, nagpagawa ka ba kayo ng t-shirt?
Siyempre, para kay Alex!
We love you, Alex!
We love you, Alex! We love you, Alex!
Ika, babalik ba kayo tomorrow?
Yes! Love you, Alex! Yes!
All in!
Barangay Toronto. Oh, barangay. Teka muna, wala bang trabaho?
All in na lang, all in!
Absent!
All in! Sir! Hindi mo na kami papasok bukas, sir!
Basta kay Alex, go kami. Alex, salamat sa pagbigay ng liwanag sa nagdidilim na Pilipinas.
Wow. Congratulations, Alex! Love you! Love you, Alex! Like Alex also? Wow!